How to get $100 REI promo code. For this, go ahead and open up a browser that you prefer and search for REI promo code and give it a search. You will find various of websites dealing with REI promo code. To get your hands on a promo code, you can select any of this website suggested to you. For an example, I'll be selecting Coupon Follow. So right here in this dialog box, you can enter email address and tap on Get Alerts to never miss out of any offers that REI has to offer. If you find any of the promo code interesting, just tap on it. To copy the code, tap on Copy, and to use it, for instance, tap on Redeem at REI. You will be redirected to REI homepage. So in order to redeem your promo code, you have to go ahead and shop a little on REI. As we all know that REI is a recreational equipment and is renowned for American outdoor retailer. It specializes in quality outdoor gears and apparels, promoting a sustainable and active lifestyle for all of us. Thinking of camping or hike? Make sure to check out REI with the promo code and easily shop with this because the promo code will be automatically added to you. Even if it's not, you can easily paste the promo code that you copied in the promo code dialog box. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.